In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook account on Monopoly Go. This can be particularly beneficial if you believe your Facebook account has been compromised or hacked, or perhaps you're just looking to switch accounts for any other reason. Even though for this tutorial, my Monopoly Go is not connected to Facebook, don't worry, I'll still guide you through the process step by step. First, let's start by opening your Monopoly Go app. Once you've done that, focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen, where you'll spot the familiar hamburger icon. Give it a tap to reveal more options. Once here, if your Monopoly Go game is already connected to your Facebook account, your next step is to tap on the settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll notice an option that says Manage Account. Now you'll know your account is connected if you see Play with Friends. But if you're already tied to a Facebook account, what you'll see instead is the option to disconnect. This is crucial. If your account is already linked, you should tap the disconnect option. By doing so, you're severing the tie between your Monopoly Go app and your current Facebook account. Once you've successfully disconnected, it's time to log out entirely from your old Facebook account. It's like cutting the cord, ensuring there's no lingering connection between the app and your prior Facebook profile. Now you're ready for the next stage. Go ahead and log into the new Facebook account you wish to use. This account will be the fresh bridge between your Monopoly Go game and your social network. After logging into your new Facebook account, make your way back to the Monopoly Go app. The final step is to reconnect the app to this new Facebook account. It's as simple as following any on-screen prompts that may appear, guiding you to establish this new connection seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Monopoly Go connection to a different Facebook account. Whether it's for security reasons or just streaming your play across a new profile, this method offers you the flexibility you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with more insightful guides like this one. Thanks for joining me today, and happy gaming!